What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can host PocketBase in under 1 minute. So let's get started. So we will start by going to pockethost.io. As soon as you land here, you'll enter your email address. You can name your instance. So I will name mine under my first name and last name and hit create. Now as soon as you hit create, you have your instance up and running, but you'll have to confirm your email. So let's go to my email. I'll just click verify and there you go. Now you have your PocketBase instance up and running in under 1 minute. You can click on details. So this is the admin URL. Let me go ahead and click on it. And this will take us to our PocketBase backend. So I'll enter my email again, create and log in. So here you go, you have your PocketBase backend up and running in under 1 minute. You can use this URL to basically access all the APIs that PocketBase offers. So for example, let's create our collection here called post. Let's add a field called title, hit create. Let's create a now record under this. Now we have our record showing up. So let's go to API preview. This is how you can basically access these records. So let's go ahead and try doing that. So what I'll do first is I'll copy this URL and then copy this URL and just append it. There you go, hit enter. We should get an error saying only admins can perform this action, and this is correct because we need to change the API rules. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on this gear icon and here you have your API rules. If you click on this unlock icon, now we have opened up this API to the public. So you can come back here and hit refresh. Did we hit save? Sorry, we did not hit save. So let's hit save here, come back and hit refresh, and now you're getting all your collections. So simply you can utilize this URL in your whatever front-end app that you're using. It can be React, it can be Next.js, or it can be plain HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is how easy it is to set up PocketBase backend in under 1 minute. That's pretty much it on how you can host PocketBase in under 1 minute on PocketHost. I will post a link to the PocketHost in the description below. This video is not sponsored by PocketHost. I like how easy it is to set up PocketBase on PocketHost, so that's why I'm creating a video on this. But if you guys want me to make a video on how we can host PocketBase on DigitalOcean or Heroku or any other platforms, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.